Assalamualaikum. My name is Kuliza and I am from grade 2.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mariam and I am from grade 3. Today we are going to explain
Fractions. A fraction is a part of whole taken.
Now it's my turn. I will explain types of fraction. Number 1, like fraction. Number 2, unlike fraction. Number 3, proper fraction. Number 4, improper fraction. Number 5, equivalent fraction. Like fractions are the fractions that the numerators are same. Unlike fractions are the fractions that the numerators are same. Proper fractions are the fractions that numerator is less than numerator. Improper fractions are the fractions that numerator is greater than or equals to numerator. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that the numerators are different but same in value. This is division bar or fraction bar. These are numerator, these are numerator. These are whole parts, this is third part. Same here.